Hi everyone, I am so excited for today because in this video I am showing you what I got as a haul from the Hart and Flora Shop Spring Glassware collection. I hope you enjoy the video. Keep watching to see what I got. Let's go! Everybody, and welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you're here today. My name is Stacey. I run this channel with my twin sister Steph, and we're so glad you are here. We are so excited for today's video because we are bringing you, like I mentioned earlier, an unboxing haul of the Hart and Flora Shop Spring Glassware collection. So if you have been following and subscribed to our channel for a while, you would know how much I love this company. Hart and Flora Shop is a small online business. The owner, Shelby, is super nice. We've been friends on Instagram for a long time. She's actually from Connecticut, where I'm from. But we met online and we became friends, and she has her own glassware company. And she designs all the artwork for the glasses and everything herself. She's extremely talented. I love supporting small businesses because I'm a business owner as well. So I love supporting other people, especially women. So I'm so excited. I've been buying from her probably about 1 or 2 years now. So she comes out with a new launch of glassware every season. So she does seasonal launches, kind of like once a season. So I've done a haul video from one of the past collection before this one, which was the Valentine's collection. I'll link the video up here if you missed it. Definitely give it a watch. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not already. We would love to have you join the family here. We make lots of fun content, about surviving and thriving in our 20s. My sister and I, Steph, were both in our late 20s, so we share lots of videos because we're both business owners. We do lifestyle video, vlogs, hauls, fashion, planning, lots of books and reading content, you name it. So please subscribe if you're not already, and if any of those topics interest you. We upload a brand new video here on our channel every Friday. We also do 2 live streams a week. On Wednesdays we do co-working productivity sprints. On Friday nights and Saturdays we do reading sprints. So definitely subscribe if you're not already to this channel so you don't miss out on anything. We have lots of fun content coming, and so you join our family. We would love to have you. But yeah, I'm so excited, like I was saying, for this haul today. So this is the Spring 2023 collection. Her launches always do sell out because she's very big now on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram handle for the shop on the screen. It's Shop Hart and Flora on Instagram. She's big now. She has grown a lot, so her launches pretty much always sell out. So if you ever want to grab anything from her new launches, try to shop right when the new release goes live. Check out her Instagram, Shelby's Instagram for the business, and follow her there, and always check her Instagram stories because her stories are where she announces a lot of information about her next launches, and she always shares the launch times and dates in her stories. But you definitely want to try to shop if you're interested as soon as you can, as close to the release date as possible, because like I said, her business has grown a lot. So things do sell out pretty fast, and they are pre-orders, so they do take a couple weeks to come, which is totally worth the wait. I don't mind. She has great customer service. The shipping's pretty fast. She's from down south. I'm in Connecticut, and the shipping really is really quick. It only takes a few days once items ship to come. So she sells glassware, and then she sells accessories. She also sells some merch, like some sweatshirts, tote bags, tea towels, coasters, stickers, all the fun things. So I'll link the shop down below if you want to shop. This video is not sponsored. I am not working with her. She's not paying me to say anything. This is my own opinion, and everything was bought with my own money. I just want to share it with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing haul. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know in a comment below if you've purchased anything from the shop before, or you know the shop. I would love to hear from you. So let's get started with the unboxing haul. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I got. So I have my box here, and so Like I said, I bought glassware from this collection, from the spring collection, and she did mugs for the first time as well, but the mugs actually came a few weeks earlier than the rest of my order. So the mugs got shipped first. So I already have the mugs and I've been using them every day. I absolutely love them. She came out with 3 mug designs and I bought all of them. There's a butterfly one, a floral one, and a plants one. I think they're still available on the website. I'll link everything down below that I share with you guys. She restocked recently, so I think you can get your hands on these items. Some of them might be sold out, but check back and they might come back in stock. But like I said, I already got the mugs from this order, so I don't have them to show you because they're downstairs. I've been using them every day. So if you've been watching my vlogs, you've seen them. So I got 3 mugs, and then this is the rest of the order that just came separately. So I've been waiting to use these to share them with you guys. I already opened the box because I just wanted to check the order to make sure everything was correct, and it was. I've never had a messed up order, and her glasses are literally the best quality I've ever tried. They're so worth the money, and like I said, Shelby, the owner, she designs every single design herself, and they're such good quality. The prints are actually like built into the glass. They're not like a sticker, so they last, they stay on. I've never had an issue with any of my glasses breaking or any of the designs coming off. So I already opened them. Like I said, I unwrapped them, but they came wrapped in beautiful tissue paper and bubble wrap, very, very securely packaged. And if anything ever comes damaged, you can always email her customer service and they will handle it. But I've never had an issue with shipping. So this is what my order looks like in a nutshell. So I'm going to show you everything I got. So the first thing I'm going to show you are her traditional glasses that she's always had. So she has 2, she sells beer glasses like this. It's called a beer glass, but I don't drink beer. I don't drink alcohol, so I use them for water, iced coffee. Any cold drink is perfect for this, any iced drink. So I have a bunch of these. I buy these in every collection. I love the beer glass. So these come in 2 sizes. This is the 16 ounce and it's pretty big. It's like your typical drinking glass size. This is the 16 ounce. She also has a 20 ounce, which is taller. So in this release, I only bought the shorter 16 ounce glass, but like I said, she has 20 ounce ones that I bought in the past that are a lot taller. So the first one I got, this is the Tropical Monstera glass. How gorgeous. It has all these Monstera plant leaves. It's so beautiful and like a mint green color. And like I said, Shelby designs all of the artwork herself. So it's absolutely gorgeous. She loves plants and florals. I love her brand because I'm a huge fan of florals. So, and plants. So yeah, you guys need to check it out below. You'll love her prints too. Super girly and fun. So this is the Tropical Monstera. This one's actually old. This did not come out in the new release. She's had this one out since I think last summer, but I never got my hands on it and she restocked it. So I figured now was my chance to grab it since I didn't get it and I've been wanting it since last year. So this is the Tropical Monstera, and again, I'll link everything I could find for you guys down below. So this is the 16 ounce Tropical Monstera beer glass. So gorgeous. That's the first thing I got. The second one I got is also the 16 ounce beer glass, but a different print. She has so many prints to choose from. So even if you don't like the prints I'm showing you and they're not your taste, she has so many other prints to choose from on the site. So the ones I'm showing you are not all the designs she has. She has so many. So there's something literally for everyone. So this is the second one. I'm obsessed with it. This is the Colorful Butterflies glass, and it also has daisies on it. Little pink daisies and flowers, if you could see it. This is absolutely stunning. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I am obsessed with butterflies right now. Ever since my mom got me this necklace for Christmas, it's a little butterfly. It's hard to see. But I just have been learning about the significance of butterflies, how they symbolize beautiful growth and change. I've just been loving them ever since my mom got me this necklace for Christmas, and my What I Got for Christmas video is up. If you missed it and you want to see it, you can watch it. But yeah, my mom got me this necklace, and yeah, I just love what butterflies symbolize. They're just such beautiful creatures, so I've been loving everything butterfly print. And Shelby, she always has some kind of butterfly design in her releases, so I'm super happy. So I have some butterfly glasses from her release last year, but this is the new one, so how cute is the colorful butterflies. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is the second one I got. The beer glass, 16 ounce in the colorful butterfly print. Those are all for the 16 ounce beer glass. Then she came out with wine glasses recently, stemless wine glasses, which she said that a lot of customers were requesting. And I'm super excited because, like I said, I don't really drink alcohol at all. But I like wine glasses because I like to use them for different things like kombucha, coffee, matcha, like iced tea, lemonade, different drinks, water. So I was super excited to see she came out with wine glasses. So I bought two. So I'm going to share them with you. Again, here we go with the butterflies. So this is the first one. The wine glasses are nice and small. They're not like a huge wine glass. You could see it fits in my hand. This is the first one. It has white butterflies all around it. I think it is absolutely stunning. So this is a stemless wine glass. Look at the butterflies. And like I said, she has so many prints. I only got two of them. But I cannot wait to use these because these are brand new. Like, she's never done wine glasses before. This is the first time. So excited to have these. Just like the mugs in this collection, it's her first time doing mugs, and I absolutely love them. I use them every day. I highly recommend them. But yeah, so this is the first wine glass. Absolutely, again, I told you I'm obsessed with butterflies right now, so I had to get that one. And the other wine glass I got, because I also love florals so much, you could probably tell by the shirt I'm wearing, it's floral. So I got, this is the Colorful Daisies wine glass. So she has these designs in all of the glasses. So if you don't like the wine glass but you want the beer glass, you can get the same designs in the different styles of drinkware. But I love the Colorful Daisies on the wine glass. I think this is so stunning. And like I said, the designs, the prints are actually built into it. It's not like a sticker that's just gonna scratch off. And you could put these on the top rack in your dishwasher. I actually hand wash these just because I prefer to, because Shelby says if you hand wash all of her glasses, they'll just last longer. So I hand wash them. They're super easy to wash, but they are dishwasher safe if you want to put them in your dishwasher. But I'm absolutely sus. This is the new one. She's done daisies in the past, like last year. I have a white daisies glass. So now I'm super excited to have colorful daisies. This is the next one I got. Those are all the glasses I got. So I just got 4 glasses. Like I said, I got 3 mugs, which I already had. And then the last thing I have to show, this is brand new. She started selling coasters, and you guys, I just had to get these because, like I said, I love anything floral. So these are, I'm so excited. I think they sold out, but they might be back in stock. So I'll link below what I could find. These are daisy coasters. So they're floral shaped coasters in like a corkboard material. And look, you can see she has her branding on it. It says Hart and Flora Daisy Coasters, sip, sip, hooray. How cute is that? So these are what they look like. You get a pack of 2 coasters. I had to get these because they were cheap. You know, like I said, I love florals. I had to get these when I saw them. So this is what you get. You get 2 cute daisy coasters. Like, how adorable are these to put your glass on? This is what it would look like on your desk or whatever. I can't wait to use these when I'm working. Like, how adorable is this? Like, I can't get over how cute these are. I just had to get them. I would love if she came out with these in white because white matches my decor even more, but I just had to get them. I still love this like corkboard look with the brown. So yeah, I love the pack of 2. Super, super adorable. So that is my haul. So I'll show you again to wrap everything up what I got. So I got the 2 daisy coasters set that come together. I got the Colorful Daisies wine glass, the White Butterflies wine glass, the Colorful Butterflies beer glass, and the Tropical Monstera beer glass. So that is my haul. And again, I also got the 3 mugs in the collection as well. But that is my haul for today. That is my haul from the spring collection for the Hart and Flora Shop. I'm obsessed. I buy from her every release, even though I really don't need any more glasses. I need to stop buying them, but she just comes out with the cutest prints every single season. I can't wait to see what the summer collection is going to look like because she's premiering it pretty soon. Make sure to follow the shop. I'll put the handle below. It's Instagram at Shop Hart and Flora, so you get all the updates about her next launches. She does lots of sneak peeks for her next launches. So I love the spring collection. I cannot wait to see what the summer one's going to look like. But yeah, make sure to check out the shop. I'll link the shop down below. and the products if I could find them, if they're still available. But that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick haul, seeing what I got from the collection. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe below and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of these. And if you've shopped from her before, you have any of her glasses, let me know. Love to hear from you. But Steph and I appreciate your support on our channel. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe and support. Love you all, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Take care, everybody, and have a great day. Bye.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind where